Hi there, Ashley from Nomisma here. This video has been requested quite frequently, and it's how to connect OneDrive to Nomisma to upload receipts automatically whenever a file is uploaded to the OneDrive platform. It can also be done for Google Drive and Dropbox as well, just by switching out the OneDrive element here in Zapier for the other file sharing services. So if I drill down into this, you can see I've already logged in and I've chosen the app. So the event I've chosen is trigger when there's a new file. So for anyone that's familiar with Zapier, then a trigger is the event that needs to happen in order for a resulting action to take place. So whenever a new file is added, then there would be an action, and there would also be a second action where it will upload the receipt in Nomisma. So here we've got new file. Then we can choose our account where we can log in, set up a trigger. So this is the folder that I want it to trigger on, and then test trigger. So it's just seeing if there are any items in there already. And then I've got a text. This is really important because the file type needs to be formatted in a specific way in order for it to be uploaded to Nomisma. So the action event I've got is text. And then we've got split text, and I'm looking at the file name. So the file name will have .png, .jpeg, many different items at the end. And I want to split it based on a full stop. And then I want the last segment. So however many items it's been split into, I want the very last one, which will be the file name, or the file type, sorry. Okay, and then I can test that action. So that has gone through successfully. And then the final step is upload receipt in Nomisma. So here I just needed to log in. Action event is upload receipt. Set up action. So I've pulled through the file name from OneDrive, the file extension, which is what was created in this text action. And then I've got my file path, which is the download URL for OneDrive. And then I can test that. And this Zap will be saved on the Nomisma Zapier platform. So it's ready to be enabled with one click. All you would need to do is then configure what file it needs to come from and what client it needs to go to. Because when you're logged in, you'll need to select which company these files should go to. Okay, so now that's done, I can go to OneDrive. I'm just going to delete this one out because it's what I was testing on. So in my Nomisma account at the moment, there's no receipts. Okay, but if I go here, select upload, select files, and I'm just going to upload 4 icons of, 4 different logos from Nomisma. So we've got the Nomisma icon, the white writing, black writing, and the Pro Accountant logos. Okay, and then that'll just take a minute to trigger in Zapier. And once it does trigger, they'll come through to the pending receipts section. Now, you can go one step further with this as well. With many of these file platforms online now, you can email in. So you can set up specific emails for specific clients and get the attachments to upload to this file sharing platform for each specific client's file. So then you can essentially automate it so that every time an email comes in for one of your clients to that specific email address, it will upload it to the folder on OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox, and then upload it to Nomisma ready for bookkeeping seamlessly without you having to do anything. So I'm just going to pause it for a second until this comes through because it may take a minute or two. Okay, I'm back. It's only taken about 10 seconds from that point I paused it, but the 4 files have now been uploaded and I can see them. And if I go into add, I can see the image on the right side, ready for bookkeeping. So this would allow me then to begin the bookkeeping process, enter a date for the receipt and the amount, search that. There's no match, so this is the duplication checking process. If there is a receipt that's already been book kept, you can attach this receipt to that line, or you could decide to delete it. But I'm just going to add the new receipt manually. And then it takes me through to this page where I can select the expense type, enter a description, the gross amount, the VAT amount, and the supplier, and then save that. So if I just enter some details quickly, and then standard rate. Oh, this company isn't VAT registered, so the VAT rate doesn't matter. But if I save that, then go to expenditure, you can see the line item here, and I can always go back and view the document. So that is how you can link OneDrive to the Nomisma platform. I hope this helps. If you do have any other questions for us, please feel free to get in touch. Our support team's contact details are 020-3021-2326. And you can also email us at support@nomisma.co.uk. Thank you. Bye.